It seems like our solar system is home to a giant planet that has been hidden. The solar system is home to a plethora of fascinating phenomena. There are an infinite number of things moving through space, some of which are planets, moons, comets, and asteroids. In addition, every year brings the discovery of new inhabitants of the solar system, the majority of which are either minor planets or quick comets. By the year 1846, astronomers had found all of the major planets in our solar system. Despite this, we are going to keep looking for whatever we need to find. Throughout the past century and a half, scientists have found evidence of the existence of Pluto and other types of dwarf planets in the far reaches of the universe. Since their discovery, the existence of some of these dwarf planets has given rise to the possibility that life from other stars could cohabit with humans. There is a possibility of a ninth planet. Because it is so important, astronomers put in countless hours looking for a ninth planet, sometimes known as Planet 9 or Planet X. Those names refer to the same object. Without it, the rest of the planets in our solar system would not make as much sense. The paths that all of the objects in our solar system take as they travel around the Sun are called orbits. Regardless of how quickly or slowly anything is moving, it is always bound by the limits that gravity imposes. We, along with everything else that has mass, are influenced by the force of gravity. A greater mass results in a greater gravitational pull. Everything in a planet's orbit is influenced in some way by the planet's immense gravity. To put it another way, this is the pull that its gravity exerts. All matter remains firmly planted on the ground thanks to the gravitational pull that the Earth continues to exert. Since it generates the most powerful gravitational pull in the solar system, the Sun is the center of the solar system's planetary system. Our understanding of the gravitational pull of objects provides the clearest and most convincing evidence for the existence of Planet 9. Dwarf planets that are farther distant than Pluto have strange orbits, just like other objects that are far away. They go about in enormous orbits that are elliptical, oval-shaped, and they are organized in clusters. All of this occurs while they are tilted in relation to the rest of the solar system. Astronomers have established, with the use of computer simulations, that in order for these objects to have moved in such a fashion, a planet with a mass that is at least 10 times greater than that of Earth would have been required. This is highly interesting and engaging content. Thus, where exactly is the location of this planet? Verifying the correctness of these projections and models is the current obstacle that we must overcome. That is something that can only be accomplished by finding Planet 9, which is simpler to say than to do. Researchers have combed the Earth for a considerable amount of time in an effort to find Planet 9. Based on the results of the computer simulations, we have arrived at the conclusion that Planet 9 is at least 20 times farther from the Sun than Neptune. We search for indications of sunlight that it may be able to reflect, much in the same way that we may see the Moon when it is nighttime. But, because Planet 9 is located at such a great distance from the Sun, it will likely be difficult for even the most powerful telescopes on Earth to detect it. In addition to that, we cannot seek it at any old time during the year. There are only a handful of evenings in each month in which the forecast calls for favorable weather conditions. To be more specific, we have to wait until a night when the Moon is not visible and our viewing spot is oriented in the correct direction. Yet, you must not give up hope just yet. Throughout the next 10 years, new astronomical surveys and telescopes will be constructed. Also, new areas of the sky will be surveyed. If they do, It may present us with the opportunity to determine once and for all whether or not Planet 9 really does exist.